Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to update Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and go to the Wondershare Filmora website and download the whole application. After that, you can go and log in to your profile, but that is not necessary. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have in the top left corner Files, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and the Help option. But guys, as you can see, the export is gray because we don't have anything to go and export at the moment. Also, we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and split screen options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and update Filmora. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps and you'll know how to do that. Basically, you do not need anything to go on the Google or download something from Google. You can download the update and install it right here in the program. So basically, what you need to do is go on the top side where we have File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and Help options. And we need to go and click on Help option. So it's not enough to hover over it. You need to click on it. When you click on it, you can see we have a lot of things here. But what we will be focusing on is down here. And we can see that we have check for updates. You can click on check for updates, and if there are any updates, you will have the opportunity to go and download them and install them. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty awesome if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.